In today's episode, I'm looking at putting up a couple of bird boxes. Hi folks, G3 here. Welcome to another instalment of my journey to go green. As you may well know, we've not long moved into this new build house, so we are getting the garden into a reasonable state for wildlife, putting in a number of different plants that are going to attract all sorts of creatures, birds and insects and the like. So one of the things that we now want to do is to get up some bird boxes to try and help both the robins. This is a robin box, and we've had some coming into the garden already, and this is a box that's suitable for things like blue tits, house sparrows, nuthatch, that sort of thing, and we've been getting a number of those in the garden as well, so I think these will be particularly suitable. We've had a look at the bto.org website, the British Trust for Ornithology, to get a little bit of advice on siting these, and it was recommended that they should be facing northeast in a relatively sheltered spot. The robin nest box should be below sort of 6-7 foot in height, and it should be in a position that is reasonably sheltered and covered. So I've got a particular spot in mind for that is behind the bamboo that's growing up, but they will be accessible, and I can move it down below another box we've got there, an insect hotel. We'll be able to pop it down there, and I think that should be a relatively good location for it. It will be sheltered away from prevailing winds and sun, but it'll be facing a bit of a northeast direction. And this other one, the one that's intended for sparrows and tits and the like, that'll be on the same fence a little bit further along. A couple of possible locations. Can put it up potentially a little bit higher on those, but there will be some cover but clear access to get in and out. The birds like to fly into and out of this one without cover, so hopefully that will be a good route through. So all I'm going to do is put a screw into the wooden fence that we've got. The screw will have a little bit of a lip on the end for it to catch on, and then we've got hooks on here that will be able to go over, and that will keep it nicely in position and to hang on the fence. And I'm trying to get these up at a suitable time of the year, so this is the start of February. It's February the 1st today, so I'm looking to try and get these up as early as possible so that they can start to weather in and birds get used to them. I'm not 100% sure that they'll be used this breeding season. It's probably a little bit too late to get them up, but you never know. But they will hopefully come into their own the following season once they've had a time to weather in and birds have got used to them. So let's get those up on the fence now. Well, there you go folks, hope you found that useful. If you did, then please click the like button down below and leave your comments. Let me know whether you think I've sited them in the right place or whether I should have made any adjustments to where they were going to be. Any thoughts on other sort of boxes that I could be getting here? I'd really appreciate your thoughts and advice. Now, up next I've got this video that I think you might find useful. And if you haven't done so already, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Well, thanks for watching folks. Until next time, bye!